How to get McDonald's promo codes for free fries. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can get free fries at McDonald's. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First, make sure that you download McDonald's application if you have not already. So it's free and will work both on Android as well as your iPhone. So if you're using iPhone, you have to open up your App Store. If you're on the Android, open up Google Play Store. Then you have to search for the McDonald's application and install it in your device. Next, you have to open up McDonald's application. Then you have to sign up for My McDonald's Reward. Once you sign up, that will unlock your access to some special offers like free fries Friday and point rewards. So you could also search for that offer. Once you're on the McDonald's application, you could head over to rewards from the menu bar at the bottom or the offers tab, and there you will find various offers or deals that you can grab through the application. And if you are new to the application, you will also often get free large fries after your first $1 plus order. So you have to watch for this offer in your deals tab in the application. And also you could also earn the redeem points, which will help you get free fries on McDonald's. For that, every dollar that you spend on McDonald's will give you some amount of points. And for the free medium fries, the only point that you need is 1500 points. So once you collect that amount of point, you will get the free medium fries for free through the application. And that's it. That's how you could get free fries at McDonald's. All you have to do is download the application, claim your rewards, and snack smart. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.